Hello, welcome again to this video. And in this video, the first thing I'm going to do is hide this list of tasks, and I will create something using JavaScript so that whenever we add a text here and we click on this button, another task will be added automatically like that. Now, without wasting time, let me take you through this. Now, I have to go straight to the list here, a line, and I have to hide this one using comments, the comment in HTML, right? So you can see already hidden the list of tasks. Now let me create something using JavaScript. The first thing, I have to create some variable for element, which is input, field, and also this button here. So I'm going to copy this one, come back to my script file, and I'm going to declare variable input box equal to document dot get element by ID, and already have here. Now I'm going to copy this one and paste it down here already, and you can check on HTML here. I have another one here. I will copy it, bring it here in this one list container, and I'll change this one to list container like that. Now the next thing is I need to add a click function to the button, and on my HTML file I have a button here and already added some function. This one I will call it what, add tag. Now I will bring it to the CSS here, and I'll say function add task. Then I'll have to write some code here. I'll say here input box dot value is equal to empty. Okay, then I have to alert. Then I'll say you must write something, you must enter something or write something. That will be a message that you have to see. You must write something. Then down here, I will say else. This is another condition. Else, we say let line equal to document dot create element by and create element in this element will be a line. And I'll have to write some text here. See, inner HTML equals to input box dot value. Alright, now down here I'll say list container dot append child. This child will be a line, just like that. So if I write a text, will be text on input box here, it will be stored in this variable here. Then all this will be stored under this container, which is here, which will be under this main container class. Okay, now let me show you something. So whenever I add a text here, then click on add button, text will be added automatically. Then if I don't add anything, then click on add, there will be a message here saying you must do something That's why I had here first one. Then here you see I just wrote something here, then say you must write something. If you are not going to write here, if the input box is going to be empty, then the message you'll see a pop-up message as requesting you to write something. And that's what exactly being seen here. Guys, wait for the next video so that you see if I write something here, if I can say hello again, then add, the message is still appearing in this field. So we are going to clear that. Once you add a task or something, a text you have added, we need to, it should not be remain here. Then okay, let's meet next video.